Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your BTC on Cash App. Guys, verifying your account is key to buying, selling, or transferring Bitcoin, and it's all about confirming your identity, not the Bitcoin itself. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Download it from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Sign in with your email or phone number. From the home screen, tap the Money tab in the bottom left corner. This brings up your Cash App balance and options. Look for the Bitcoin section. It's got a wavy line icon. Tap it, then select Buy Bitcoin or Deposit Bitcoin. If your account isn't verified, Cash App will prompt you to start the verification process before you can proceed. To verify, tap Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. You'll need to provide some personal info: your full legal name, date of birth, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. For U.S. users, Cash App might also request your full SSN or a government-issued ID, like a driver's license. Follow the prompts to upload a clear photo of your ID and a well-lit selfie. Unique tip: take your ID photo in bright natural light to avoid blurry image rejections. Verification usually takes 24 to 48 hours, and you'll get a notification when it's done. Once verified, you can buy, sell, or transfer Bitcoin freely. If it's delayed, double-check your info for typos or contact Cash App support. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Cash App, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below, and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free, with 0 fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.